Yeah, hi. Today's topic is closure property under multiplication. Okay. Now, what is closure property actually? For all a comma b belongs to rational numbers, plus a into b also belongs to a rational number. Because we are talking about multiplication, I kept here multiplication symbol. If it is about addition, then a plus b you need to take. If it is subtraction, a minus b. If it is multiplication, a into b. If it is division, a divided by 3. Okay. Now this is a definition actually. Okay. Now let's take an example. Let's take any example like a minus 2 by 3 and 5 by 4. These two are rational numbers. Yes or no? What are rational numbers? The numbers which are in the form of p by q. They are in p by q. Okay. Now let's take a into b. This is a we have taken and it is b. So multiply minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 4. So what is minus 2 into 5? When you are multiplying two rational numbers, you can multiply, fractions, you can multiply directly numerator with a numerator, denominator with a denominator. Okay, by 3 into 4. So minus into plus, minus 2 5s are 10 by 3 4s are 12. Now you can cancel. Actually you can cancel even here also. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. So what is the answer? Minus 5 by 6. Do you feel minus 5 by 6 belongs to rational number? Yes. Therefore, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Clear? You take any two rational numbers, if you multiply both, the result also belongs to the same rational number. Okay, see, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are very easy, so I thought you can find out, you can take an example and you can check. For example, if you want to see natural numbers, 7 or 5. Now 7 5s are 35. These two belongs to natural numbers. Don't you feel 7 5s are 35 also belongs to natural numbers? Yes. So natural number satisfies closure property under multiplication. Similarly, you can find out even the what we call whole numbers, integers also. Okay. Now let's take another example, another property, another operation. Okay, same closure property under division. Okay. Same. What is the definition? For all a comma b belongs to some rational numbers, plus a divided b also belongs to rational numbers. Okay. Rational numbers. Before checking with the rational numbers, let's start with the natural numbers. Okay. Natural numbers. Take any number. So, some 8, 2. Okay. I am dividing 8 and 2 belongs to natural numbers. I want to check 8 divided by 2 is also belongs to natural numbers or not. How? 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is more, how much? 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 by 1 is nothing but 4. Okay, 4 is belongs to natural numbers. When I am taking 8 and 2, 8 divided by 2, it is belongs to n. If I take reversely, you need to check even reverse method, reverse also, b by a. See, I can take a as a 2 also, b as a 8 also. Okay, if I take 2 divided by 8, what will be the answer? 2 divided by 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. 1 by 4. Do you feel 1 by 4 belongs to natural numbers? No. So therefore, natural numbers are not closed under division. Not just natural numbers, even whole numbers are also same. They are not closed under division. Integers are also same. They are not closed under division. Why? Because natural numbers, whole numbers and integers are not in the form of p by q. P by Q is nothing but division, right? So if I take 2 and 8, what is the answer? 2 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is not a natural number. 1 by 4 belongs to rational number, right? So now let's me check with the rational numbers. Take any two rational numbers, 1 by 2 and some minus 3 by 4. Okay, I want to check belongs to some rational numbers. Okay, now 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 by 4. How can I check this? 1 by 2 divided by minus 3 by 4. So hope you have remember this. A by B divided by C by D is equals to A by B into D by C. Okay, division is nothing but multiplying its multiplicative inverse. A by B, first it's a numerator, and you're dividing with again what we call a fraction. So because it is little difficult, we can use a property. Multiplication is nothing but division is nothing but multiplying its multiplicative inverse. To whom you are dividing, to with what you are dividing? C by D. So you can even multiply with a C by D is multiplicative inverse, D by C. So this is a formula actually. Okay, so 1 by 2 into this is C by D. Division is turned into multiplication. 3 by 4 is not minus 3 by 4. The multiplicative inverse is 4 by minus 3. Now what is the answer? 4 into 1 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3. 4 minus 6 to 2 is 2 3. So what is the answer? Minus 2 by 3. Do you feel minus 2 by 3 belongs to Q? Yes. So you can write down natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are not closed under division. But whereas rational numbers are, where should I write? Where should I write? For your convenience, I am just writing here. I should turn the paper actually. That point I am writing here. So rational numbers are closed under, see Q is nothing but rational numbers under division. Why? Because simple. All the rational numbers are in the form of P by Q. Division is nothing but by some fraction. Okay, if in a rational numbers every number is in the form of P by Q, so definitely it is closed under division. Clear? Thank you.